Hi everybody, how are you doing? I hope all is well. It's an absolutely gorgeous evening here at the beach. I'm going to head out for my beach walk here, and I thought I'd take you along for a couple minutes so you can enjoy the beautiful sounds of the ocean and the vista, the gorgeous views here. All right, let's do it. So it's just a beautiful evening here. Getting towards the end of September, and the temperatures have cooled. It's just lovely. We, of course, don't have as many tourists here now, although we still have quite a few people coming in, and this week is SOS, Fall Migration. What does that mean? That's Society of Shaggers, and it's their big event for the fall. They come from all over and do a lot of shagging. There's competitions and lessons, a lot of socializing and fun, and a lot of them are staying right over there at the Vista, at the Ashworth, at Ocean Drive Golf and Racket Hotel, and they're partying out on Main Street. All right, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and put this phone down and be present and enjoy my beach walk. I hope you all like that. I hope you all are doing well. Until next time, take care. God bless.